Prentis Newydd, rydyn ni'n gwneud ôl-gynhyrchu am y BBC.
Hello, I'm Amy and I'm going to be doing costume with the BBC.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm doing factual with BBC.
Hi, I'm Connor and I'm doing radio for BBC Wales.
Hi, I'm Dale Williams and I'm doing digital marketing with the BBC.
Enw fi Di Gwenno a dwi'n neud Prentisiaeth Lefel cynhyrchu efo Boom Cymru.
Hi, I'm Holly and I'm an Office Operations Apprentice at Bad Wolf.
Hi, my name's Harold Spencer and I'm doing Grip with the BBC.
Hello, my name's Jesse. I'm a radio apprentice with BBC Radio Wales.
Hi, I'm James. I'm doing a Special Effects Apprenticeship with Real SFX.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm doing sports at BBC Cymru Wales.
Hi, I'm Molly and I'm doing a Creative and Digital Apprentice with ITV.
Hi, my name's Ben and I'm working as an online assistant with The Luck.
Hi, my name is Eugenia and I work for ITV as a Creative and Digital Media Apprentice.
Hello, my name's Sam and I'm a Production Assistant at Cardiff TV.
Hi, I'm Troy. I'm a Sport Apprentice with BBC Wales.
Enw fi yw Tia a dwi'n bod yn gweithio yn adran marchnata efo'r BBC.
Enw fi Zara a dwi'n Prentis Creadigol efo ITV Cymru.
Hi, I'm Dan and I'm doing the Special Effects Apprenticeship with Real SFX.